Good morning, students. Very good morning to one and all. How are you all? I know you are doing well at home. As you know that we have started second semester syllabus. So this is going to be a very important session. Second semester syllabus session. Okay. So grade 6 subject English. Welcome all of you once again for this special online lecture sessions 2020. So as you know that already we have started block number 16, writing an informational essay, in which we have already seen simple past and present perfect tense. As you know, the simple past is used for actions that start and finish in the past. The present perfect tense is used for actions that begin in the past but continue in the present or continue to affect the present. We use has or have and the past participle form of the verb to form the present perfect tense. The block has also covered the features of an uninformational essay, of an informational essay, how to write one and the verb tense that can be used in it. Okay, so here today we will see more on present perfect. We'll just try and understand how present perfect is used or how it should be used. So let's begin. So aim of this particular learning plan or this session is you will be able to write an informational essay about an invention when we'll complete this particular session. Resources which we required are simply workbook activity number S3 based on this particular topic. Okay. Next is exit content book and notebook, and as always pen and pencil. Correct. So let's begin the session more on present perfect. Here we go. So just simply tell me, when do we use the simple past and present perfect tense? Do you have any idea? When do we use the simple past and present perfect tense? Okay, no problem, no worries. Just see, look at this. We use the simple past when we refer to an action that started and ended in the past. For example, he went to Mexico last year. He went. As you can see here, there is one subject. Verb's second form is there, which is the formula of simple past tense. Correct. The action of going to Mexico ended last year. If we use present perfect tense when the action has started in the past but hasn't ended. But one more thing is there, when action has been started in the past but which is not ended yet, then we need to use present perfect tense. Okay, so let's check once again. Okay, we use present perfect tense when the action has started in the past but hasn't ended and continues in the present or continues to affect the present. For example, she has entered the shop. We know that she is present in the shop now and entered at some time in the past. We know that she is present in the shop now and entered at some time in the past. Understood? Okay, very good. Just see here, look at these two sentences. I have watched a movie this week. She has written two stories this month. In which tense are these sentences written? What does this week and this month represent? Why aren't these sentences written in the simple past? Why they have not written in a simple past? These sentences are written in the present perfect tense. Okay. The phrases this week and this month are this week and this month. You can see here this week and this month are time expressions that convey when the actions took place. Since these time periods are not yet finished, we use the present perfect this week and this month. These are not completed. These are not finished. That's why we have used them. If the time periods had already finished, such as last month means the thing is now no more. It is over. Last week or yesterday, then we would use the simple past. Since we are saying this month, this week means it is still going on. Hence, we have used this present perfect tense over here. Since time expressions such as today, this year, this week, and tonight haven't finished yet, we use present perfect tense. Understood? It's very easy. Let's take few more examples. I have visited Goa 6 times. I have read this book many times. Okay, I have read this book many times. So here, can you tell me in which tenses are these sentences written? How do you know? What do these sentences describe about the action? Why do we use present perfect tense? Why do we use present perfect tense? We can simply understand since they have used have and V3. This is nothing but once again an example of present perfect tense. Okay, so these sentences are written in present perfect tense as it uses have and past participle form of the verbs. You can see here visited and read. These sentences describe the number of times an action has happened from the past until the present. We use present perfect tense when we want to express how often an action has taken place until now. Correct? So, how often? Here they have given 6 times, many times. Okay, and hence we need to use here present perfect tense because it has been expressed how many times the action has taken place until now. Till now, how many times it has happened. Okay, like I have visited Goa for 6 times. Okay, here many times. Okay, here they have used many times. Correct. So look at this sentence. She left for the office for the day. There is one subject, V2 is there, and object is there. Okay, these three things are there. Subject this one, V2 this left, and the office for the day this one, the office for the day. Okay, now she had just left for the office for the day. You can see here has is there. We use has and have. We use has and have. Okay, to make present perfect tense. Correct? To make present perfect tense. Now she left the office for the day is written in the simple past tense. It describes an action that is completed in the past. This action is completed in the past. She had just left the office for the day is written in the present perfect tense when we want to describe an action that just finished. Okay, now just finished. When she has left, just left, just left. That's why here we have used present perfect tense. Understood this much? Very nice. Next, I bought a new bike. I bought a new bike. Okay, and second one, I have bought a new bike. Which verb tense is used in the two sentences? Once again, simple thing is there. The formula which you can see, the formula which you can see here is simply subject V2 and object is there. Correct? And object is there. This is subject, this one is V2 and this one is an object. Correct. Now look at this second sentence. In second sentence, subject is there. Okay. Plus have is there, plus V3 is there, verb's third form, plus an object is there. This is the subject. This I have is there. This bot is V3, and remaining part, this is an object. Correct. This is an object. So look at the sentences now. I bought a new bike is written in the simple past and emphasizes the action of buying the bike. I have bought a new bike is written in present perfect and emphasizes the result of the action. That is the fact that I have a bike now in the present. We use simple past when we want to emphasize the action, and use present perfect when we want to emphasize the effect. Here we just show on to an action, and here we are showing the effect of an action on the present. Hence we have used present perfect tense. Understood? Very nice. Okay, let's take few more sentences. I watched that movie yesterday. And next is I have watched the movie. Now, which verb tense is used in each of the sentences? What is described about the action in the first sentence? When do we use the simple past and present perfect tense? Just see. The first sentence is written in the simple past. First sentence is written in the simple past and describes when exactly the action took place by giving a time expression word yesterday. Okay. The second sentence is written in present perfect tense. Doesn't give an exact time when action happened. Here they have not given exact time. Okay. When the precise or exact time of action is not known or important, then we can use present perfect tense. Here the precise time of action we don't know. Okay. So here we use present perfect tense. Correct. Here we use present perfect tense. Next one, how long have you lived here? In how many ways can we answer this question? Can you tell me? We can answer this question using present perfect in two ways, by using for and since. How? We have lived here for 10 years. This for we are using, okay, for, and here since 2010. The word for, this word for is used to tell the time period for an action which has continued, such as the action of living here has continued for 10 years. On the other hand, we use since to tell the point in time when an action began. Here we are telling when an action began. Okay, correct. Such as 2010. Okay, I hope you have understood this one also. Now simple homework. You have to answer practice question 10, the practice question number 10 from the Exceed content book. So students, thank you so much for watching this video very carefully. Thanks a lot. Have a great day to all. Bye bye. Take care.